Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to use Monday.com for product launches. A product launch is a critical process, and Monday.com can make it smooth and efficient. First off, create a new board for your product launch. This is your command center, where you'll manage tasks, timelines, and teams. It's crucial to have a dedicated space for your launch to keep everything organized and accessible. Now that we've done that, let's move on to setting up groups within your board. Groups can be different stages of your launch, like ideation, development, marketing, and post-launch. This helps us because it breaks down the overwhelming task of launching a product into manageable chunks. Next up, add items under each group. Items can be individual tasks or milestones. The reason we do this is to track progress and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. For example, under the marketing group, you might have items like create press release or set up social media campaign. After adding items, assign team members to each task. This is important because it ensures accountability. It's clear who's responsible for what, which streamlines communication and avoids misunderstandings. Once you've assigned tasks, set up a timeline for each item. In Monday.com, you can visualize your entire product launch timeline, making it easier to see overlaps and gaps. This matters because a well-planned timeline can be the difference between a successful launch and a chaotic one. Finally, use Monday.com's automation feature to set up reminders for deadlines, status updates, and more. Automations can significantly reduce manual work and help you stay on top of your product launch. Let me explain why this matters. When you're juggling multiple tasks and teams, it's easy to lose sight of the little details. Automations act as your personal assistant, keeping you updated and on track. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively use Monday.com to plan, manage, and execute a successful product launch. Remember, every product launch is different, so feel free to customize these steps to suit your specific needs. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.